ain't true yet. Well, roll the tag forward to a few